Hello there guys, in today's video I will show you how to upload high quality photos on Twitter. First, go on your left upper side and click on the profile section. Then select settings and privacy. Now you need to select display languages accessibility. Go on it and now go on data usage, the last section. As you can see on my image section, on the first one it's called on never. Go click on it and choose the first one, mobile data Wi-Fi. Then the second one is also with never selection. Go click on it and go with mobile data Wi-Fi. Now guys, you know how to upload high quality photos on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have any problems, comment down below in the section. We are here to help you. See you soon guys.